Bro, just look at my insane phantom wallet. I made all this money in the past days, all by launching my own meme coins. You better keep watching because I'm gonna show you exactly how to make this type of money yourself. Now, just over a month ago, I used to spend all my time trading meme coins on this exact screen right here, but the problem is that every single time I bought in a meme coin, I just lost my money to these stupid rug pulls. Like this coin right here, for example, it just went to zero a couple minutes ago. And bro, believe it or not, 99% of these coins are all rug pulls. But the crazy part is that the people who are behind these coins are making so much money. That's the truth that nobody is telling you about. All they're doing is they create the coin, they pump up the price, and then they dump it, and they walk away with thousands of dollars on every single launch, bro. It's actually insane. This is exactly why I switched to this new strategy. Now I am the one who is creating and launching these coins and making a shit ton of money. All I have to do is launch the coin, wait for buyers to buy in my coin, I remove the liquidity, and I profit thousands of dollars. And yes, you can do this over and over again until you're satisfied and rich. But anyways, I'm gonna ungatekeep the method and expose exactly how people are making thousands of dollars by launching their own coins. But before I get started, I just want to be clear that this video is for educational purposes only, so please do not copy me, cap! But anyways, the first thing you'll want to do is head over to LaunchNow.Fun, because here it is where you will be able to launch and create your own coins with no coding required, obviously, and super fast. And the reason why this website is 100 times better than Pump.Fun is because the coins are all launched on the Raydium DEX, which is way better than Pump.Fun because it will get a way much higher market cap, and also it will skip the bonding curve. For example, this coin is 14% in bonding curve, and by launching your own coins on LaunchNow.Fun, your coins will be listed directly on the Raydium DEX without any migration time. But anyways, I'm gonna stop yapping and I'm gonna head straight to the point. You have to be launching your own coins on LaunchNow.Fun if you want to maximize your profits and make the most amount of money possible, okay? So you have two different options into making your own meme coin. You could either make an original coin and make it manually here by putting the token name, token symbol, token image. So by doing this, for example, if a viral meme came out, if someone tweeted, you can make a coin here and make thousands by following simple steps. The second option is actually for the people who are lazy like me and that wants to make some money fast without any marketing. So you would come to the copy coins feature right here. And here you can actually steal coins that are already making some money. So by duplicating these coins, you're putting all the odds in your favor to make some money because all these coins are all trending, they're all pumping on Pump.Fun, and you're basically duplicating them back onto Raydium DEX and you are making way more money, bro. It's actually a money printer. Now I'm gonna duplicate the coin to prove that this shit actually works. So the coin that caught my attention is the Dubai chocolate. It has 4 replies, which is not bad, a market cap which is 27,000, and a last buy 6 seconds ago. Now this coin actually looks promising because it is king of the hill. So I am going to duplicate the coin in 3, 2, 1. After that, go inside your wallet. Then a warning will pop up. It's completely normal, bro. Just proceed anyway. Confirm, I understand, confirm. And then your coin should be copied in, wait, soon. Boom, copy here, click on create liquidity pool. And now it's time to make your coin tradable on the blockchain, okay? So now here, there's a couple more steps to making your coin tradable on the blockchain. Now first of all, select your coin right here, boom. Select your Solana balance. Amount token A, click on max to put 1 billion coins in the pool. Amount token B, you can put anywhere from 0.3 to 1 Solana. I'll put 0.5 Solana. Obviously you can put the minimum, which is 0.31. And this initial right here is coming straight out of your pockets, right, from your wallet. But don't worry, okay? This is just the initial buy inside your coin with your own money. It will come back inside your wallet after you remove the liquidity, so it's completely safe, okay? Obviously, there has to be a first buy before the coin gets launched. But now it's time to launch it. So create pool right here. Your phantom will pop up. Yes, sir. Confirm. After that, simply click on refresh. Boom, it popped up. As you can see, I'm already $100 in profit, which is absolutely insane. That's equivalent to 0.8 Solana. And then click on view on Photon. And as you can see, your coin is live. Is this pumping a lot? It dipped just a bit. That's not, oh, it's not too bad. Okay, we're getting a $50 buy, $8 buy. We just got like a fucking, we're getting a bunch of buys in. Yo, it's actually insane, guys. Oh my god, it's exploding! We just hit a 1k market cap, 2k market cap. No, I should have removed the liquidity. What am I doing, yo? Yo, it went to 2k, bro. On camera, did y'all see that? Yo, I could have removed the liquidity, bro. Oh, yo, I would have been rich, bro. That's alright though. I could easily make a couple $100 too. Okay, if it comes back to like, let's say this level right here, I am gonna the coin, okay? Okay, oh, $400 market cap, that's not bad. Okay, I think I'm gonna remove the liquidity. Come back to LaunchNow.Fun, click on the minus button, do 100% remove liquidity. Confirm. And boom! That's exactly how you launch a coin and remove the liquidity and print a couple $100 off this one launch. It's actually insane, bro. And for proof, if you want to see how much I made in total, if I open my Phantom wallet, $600 is inside my wallet, so I made a $480 profit off this one launch, bro. It's actually insane. LaunchNow.Fun is linked in the comments down below or in the description. You better go use it before it's too late, and yeah, bye.